Hey guys, welcome to my page. My name is Khanyi, and today I want to talk about the 3 steps to build influence so that you can recruit and sell your products much easier with lots and lots of ease. Let me know if that's exciting. I find this topic very, very exciting. So this is gonna be good for you if you are struggling to get people to see your vision. Okay, people are struggling to see the awesome product that you've got or the amazing business opportunity that you've got. And now, here's a question that I've got for you. Have you ever wondered why some people walk into your network marketing company and within weeks they have reached like the top rank in that network marketing company? Okay, do you know what it is that they've got that you do not have? How are they able to succeed so fast? And I'm gonna share that with you, and I'm going to share with you the 3 steps to get there as well so that recruitment can be easy for you as well as selling your product. So let me know where you are coming from when you come into the video. I am doing this video from Johannesburg. Super excited to be here. If you have not met me, my name is Khanyi. I'm the founder of www.khanyisamhlongo.com, as well as this page, Khanyi. I am a network marketing coach. I'm a mentor and a coach for network marketers to help them build their business using social media strategies. I'm a health enthusiast. I'm super excited about leading a healthy lifestyle and coaching other people to do the same. So, yeah. Let's go through this. What are the 3 things that you can do to get to build influence? In fact, before we get there, I'm going to talk about influence first. What is that and why is that important? Okay. Um, if like before I get there, this video I want to credit it to my friend Aslam, right? I've just watched a video that he did in our community, Recruit Your Perfect Prospect. And as I was watching it, I thought, oh wow, this is some good content, this is some good information. I would like to share that with more people. So I took it from the Recruit Your Perfect Prospect group to this page. So thank you, Aslam, for great content, and I hope I will do it justice. Okay. So, what is influence? Okay. Influence basically is just the ability to get people to take action, right? It's the ability to influence people to do what you're asking them to do. Now, if you are not converting people, if you're not signing people up and selling product, it's mainly because you are not able to influence the people to take action, that kind of action. And this is not only limited to that, it could literally be a small thing, like you want people to say small yeses before they get to a big yes. So maybe it's actually just getting people to watch your video, or to like your content, or just following your page, for example. That is influence. You're able to get people to take action in the direction that you want them to take action. Does that make sense? Let me know if that makes sense. So that is influence. You want to build influence, most especially when you want to succeed in network marketing, obviously at different degrees. You want to build that influence. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the 3 things that you can do to build influence. And the answer to the question that I asked in terms of what are those people doing that allows them to progress so fast, it's because they've got influence. Okay, so maybe they were successful in their own right before they came into network marketing. They had influence over the people that they follow them. Maybe they had a position that gave them that kind of influence, or maybe they are influential in their family or in the network that they've got. That is why they can be able to achieve that kind of success quicker. But then what happens to the rest of us who may come into network marketing not have that influence? That does it mean that it's a hopeless situation? Does it mean that you quit your business because you do not come in with that influence? And the answer is no. You can build that influence, and that is what I want to talk about today. I find it very exciting. Let me know if you find it as exciting as I do. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so what are the 3 things that you can do to build influence? Number one, you want people to influence. Okay, so you want to build a network of people that you can influence. Okay, so you want to build that network. The important thing about building that network of people is that you must, and specifically you must, okay, I'm talking mainly in relation to social media. You want to build what did I say? A network of people that you can influence. So you want to build that network and grow that network. Now, what you want to do before you start building a network, you want to make sure that you know which type of people, what kind of people do you want to influence. If you are in a market of selling meat, you want to influence people who eat meat. If you are building a network around people who are vegetarians, you're not going to get a lot of success, right? So you want to make sure that you are clear in terms of the target market that you want to influence. If you want to influence people who are interested in health related stuff, you want to make sure that you build your network around those people, right? And then if you are looking for people to do business with, you want to build a network around those kind of people. So that is number one. You must have a network, and this is very relevant for most people, because you will start with friends and family, and we don't find the people that we're looking for. Now when you start going into cold market, you want to make sure that you've got a network, right? That is number one. Okay, so let's get that down. Build a network. That is one. Number two, what you want to do is to build a relationship with that network. It's to engage. Okay, engage sounds very generic, but you want to build a relationship with that network, because as you know, people join people. If they don't have a relationship with you, people will not join your beautiful company or buy your product. So you want to build a relationship with those people. Now, when I started learning these things, I used to spend a lot of time thinking, how do I build a network? How do I build a relationship? Okay. And the third one as well that I'm going to talk about. But it's very important to understand what are the things that you need to be doing to build a network, to build a relationship. So in terms of building a network, there's two ways that I can share with you. You can add people onto your network manually. So if you are in a network marketing business, you must make sure that on a daily basis you are growing your network, right? You can add manually, but don't just add friends of friends and other people. Add people that are highly targeted. Okay, people that are the right people for your opportunity. And you can find these people, they hang out in the same place. If you're looking for people who are looking to lose weight, they hang out in weight loss groups. People who are looking for specific things, they hang out in the same place. So you just go and find them there and build relationships in that kind of place. Let me know if this makes sense to you. Okay, it's gonna be easier, it's gonna be quicker, it's gonna help you. And then you can also run ads if you're using a business page. That makes it more quicker and more predictable, basically. Okay. And then in terms of building a relationship, a video is best to build a relationship, because a video creates a connection. You can connect with someone on a video. You get to know them in terms of who they are, and you get to decide, actually, as you see them, whether or not you like them. And if you don't like them, then they move forward. So video is very important. But what I also want to mention here is that you want to be consistent with your activities, because if we're talking about building a relationship, if you're only talking to someone once a month, it's gonna take long to build that relationship. If you wanna talk to build a relationship faster, you wanna talk to them more often. Okay, let's close this. It's distracting. Okay, so you wanna talk to them more often, right? I'm actually currently doing a 30-day blitz. Okay, where I'm like for the next 30 days. For 30 days, I am posting constantly, either video or text, video or text, video or text. But there's something that comes through on a daily basis, because I'm building a relationship with a certain audience. And I've seen what that does, what blitz, because I've done that blitz last year. Now I'm doing it on a different product. But if you are dating someone, I'll use the example of dating, and you're seeing them every day, you're talking to them every day, you're gonna get to the kissing much quicker, or the holding hands, or you're getting married by the end of 30 days. How many people agree with that? So that is what you want to do. You want to build a relationship, and you can use a text and you can use video, a combination of that. Video is just best. Okay. And you want to educate. So what you don't want to do is the third one. You don't want to do that immediately. You don't want to promote immediately, because so this is very important. You grow, you engage, you promote in that sequence. If you start by promoting, those things will not convert. So you want to start by building an audience, growing an audience, engaging that audience, build a relationship with that audience, and promote. Okay. It does not mean that at the beginning you're not going to make sales, but your efforts will multiply more when you've got a good relationship with the people that you are trying to attract. Okay. So that is the third way to build influence. Then you can start promoting. So you need to be clear as well in terms of what are the activities that I'm going to do to build, to promote to this audience. Okay. So when you get that formula right, you're going to start building influence with the people. You're going to start getting people to take action on what you're doing. You're going to start getting people to show up for you, to watch your videos, to look out for your text, to like it, to share your content, to ask you for more information, to actually want to buy your whatever it is that you're offering, or join your whatever business that you are onto. That it makes selling and recruiting much easier. Can you see how building an influence is, how important that is? Because if you don't have influence, then it means you will not have the ability to convert um, um, all your conversations, all your marketing efforts into sales, or into people joining your opportunity. So definitely worth building your influence, so that you can have the unfair advantage that those people who walk into your company, and within 2 weeks, within 3 weeks, within a month, they have achieved a lot more than most people have achieved in a year. So that is that for today. Let me know if this was valuable to you. If you found value, I want to ask you to like the video, share the video with someone who might actually benefit from it, and also comment, drop me a comment in terms of what stood out for you, and what you possibly would implement, or you're already implementing in your business. So thank you so much. Super excited. I will see you guys in the next video. My name is Khanyi Samshongo. Have a good evening. Bye bye.